Welcome to our brief tutorial on integrating the new Asset Vue Mobile application with our existing robust web and cloud platform. We're in our new mobile app. We happen to be on an iPad right now, but it works on any Android or Apple device. You can see all the tiles in front of us with the locations. A lot of features in here. We could click on any location, do a breakdown, see some information about the assets. We could click in and see details about the rooms and assets that exist. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go back to our main screen. I want to show you the camera scanning feature, which we could scan any barcode just by simply adding an asset in front of it. But more importantly, I'm going to use our external scanner. So I'm paired with an RFID scanner. It could be paired with a barcode scanner just as easily. I'm going to select our container. I'm in the lab, so I'll go into our main office and select our lab. As soon as I hit start scan, it's going to draw a list of the assets that we'd expect to see, and I'm going to start scanning a few assets right here. So you'll see them starting to pop in at the top, and you'll see the green bars indicating that we found the assets that we expect to find here. Looks like we're missing one at the top. So I'm going to hit stop scan. It allows us to see some information about the assets. We could dig in and, of course, maybe mark this as missing if we wanted to, or we could hold and select on a few assets. And as soon as I do that, you may have noticed the lightning bolt up at the top. This is our quick action panel. So we go in and change the description on these to scanned. Hit done. When I hit save here, that action will be pushed to all of those assets. And I now want to run over to our more robust web platform. So while I'm in here, I'm going to go do a quick search for those assets. So I go to the asset search screen. I happen to already be in the lab. So if we do a quick refresh, we'll see that all these assets were scanned within the last few seconds. And I'll hit on the rack. Again, we're emulating that we're in a data center right now. So this is a rack elevation showing the various assets. And again, we'll see the scan history and any changes we've made to the application and all the information you can typically get on an asset inside Asset Vue. Really appreciate your time this morning reviewing our application. Take care.